Hello, my lovely kids. I'm your English teacher Medhavi, and our today's topic is nouns possession. To understand nouns possession, it's very important to understand what possession or possessiveness is. When somebody has got right on something or somebody owns something, that is called the possession. Today, we are going to study about this. In today's video, you will learn that where to use apostrophe marks to show possession. So let's get started. Look at the following pictures. The first one is Students' Union. The second one is Rita's doll. And the third one is Zoya's hat. Now this first club belongs to the students, so the students have got its ownership. Hence, it is Students' Club. The second one is Rita's doll. This doll belongs to Rita and Rita has its ownership. So it is Rita's doll. The third one is Zoya's hat. This hat belongs to Zoya. Zoya has the ownership of this hat. Zoya has the possession over this hat, so hence it is Zoya's hat. Read the following sentences carefully. Ria's dress is looking very pretty. My granny's hair has not turned grey yet. I'm planning to go shopping for my cousin's wedding. Soni's doll dances beautifully. Apostrophe S shows that something belongs to someone. Like in our examples, Ria's dress, we have used apostrophe S there. So the dress is belonging to Ria. The second one is Granny's hair. Hair of my granny. So to show the belonging of hair to granny, we are using apostrophe S. Cousin's wedding. Cousin ki shadi. Okay, the wedding which is of my cousin. So we have used apostrophe S there. Soni's doll. Sony की doll. जिस doll पर Sony का control है. Sony has got the ownership of this doll. So we have used apostrophe S here. In the sentences shown above, the underlined bold words show possession. Now look at the following examples. The bikers' helmets were very expensive. The teachers were asked to check the students' notebooks. The policewoman was checking the ladies' purses. All the flower leaves were faded. Jaz's toy was broken. Now what we have noticed here, हमने यहाँ पर एक चीज notice की that these nouns are already ending with S. ठीक है, पहले के जो हमारे noun थे, those are not ending with S. उनके last word letter में S नहीं था. The last letter was not S, so we have used apostrophe S there to show the possession. लेकिन अगर हम ये वाले examples देख रहे हैं, so what we find there that these nouns are already ending with S. Biker का plural is bikers. Students plural is students. Lady का plural है ladies. Flower का plural flowers. And jazz is a proper name which is already ending with S. So in these cases which are already ending with S, we are not using apostrophe S, but we are just putting the apostrophe sign there. When a noun or plural noun ends with S, we add only an apostrophe at the end of it to show the possession. तो हमने इन sentences में एक चीज notice की बेटा कि the nouns which are already ending with S, जिनके end में पहले से ही S है, we are not using again S then apostrophe S there, but we are only using the apostrophe sign. If it is already bikers, तो उसके बाद भी मैं bikers helmets लगाती तो that could be wrong. Students is already plural noun, then if I would have written students double S, so it would not be appropriate. I hope it is clear to you. आपको एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि if a noun is ending with S, अगर किसी noun के end में S आ रहा है, so to show its possession, we just use the apostrophe mark, not the apostrophe S. Now, rule to be followed with non-living objects. Now, there is one rule which is to be followed with non-living objects. Generally, in spoken English, we can say the table's leg is broken, the TV's remote is not working, the wall's paint is being dull. In spoken English, it is okay. But when we are talking about the proper grammar, so we do not use apostrophe S with the non-living things, but we use of. The leg of the chair is broken. We can, in spoken English, we can say the chair's leg is broken. That is not wrong. But if we are writing correct grammar, if we are speaking correct grammar, so we use the leg of the chair is broken. Who changed the name of this city? Name of this city. This city's name, though it will be not considered wrong, but what is appropriate is name of the city, because city is a non-living thing. My car's brakes need a repair. The car's brakes I have written here. So it will be the brake of my car need a repair. The tip of this pen, not this pen's tip, but tip of this pen. Here in this sentence I committed a mistake. I wrote my car's brakes. In spoken it is correct, but please consider it the brake of my car. Now what points you have to remember? We show possession by adding an apostrophe S at the end of the nouns that are not ending with S. जो नॉर्मल नाउन है जिनके एंड में एस नहीं आ रहा है, वी आर यूजिंग apostrophe s there to show the possession. Nouns that end with s show possession by just adding an apostrophe mark. Generally, we don't use apostrophe mark to show possession in non-living objects, but we use of. That is it for today, my little kids. I hope you all are safe and sound. Take care of your families, take care of yourself, and please help Mama in the households. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, keep studying, keep shining. Thank you.